Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the open-ear Bluetooth 5.4 headphones, designed for sports, running, and an active lifestyle. If you're looking for wireless earbuds that let you stay aware of your surroundings while enjoying high-quality sound, this might be exactly what you need. They come in a sleek Obsidian black finish, feature an LED power display, and provide a comfortable over-ear fit. Let's go over everything you need to know before you decide to buy. Click the link below for the best price. Why open-ear headphones are a game changer. Traditional in-ear earbuds block out external noise, which is great in some cases but not ideal for runners, cyclists, or outdoor athletes who need to stay aware of their environment. These open-ear headphones rest outside your ear canal, allowing you to hear both your audio and your surroundings. That means you can enjoy music, take calls, and listen to podcasts while still being able to hear approaching cars, people, or anything else happening around you. If you've ever found earbuds uncomfortable or irritating, these might be a great alternative. They don't create the pressure or discomfort that some in-ear buds do, making them ideal for extended wear. Comfortable and secure fit for any activity. One of the biggest concerns with wireless earbuds is whether they stay in place during movement. These headphones are designed with an over-ear hook, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit. Whether you're running, cycling, at the gym, or just walking around, they won't slip or fall off. They are also lightweight, so you won't even feel them on your ears. Plus, their sweat-resistant design makes them perfect for intense workouts and outdoor activities. No need to worry about them getting damaged from sweat or a little rain. Latest Bluetooth 5.4, faster and more stable connection. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.4, these headphones offer a stronger, more stable connection compared to older versions. If you've ever dealt with annoying audio dropouts or lag, you'll appreciate the seamless connectivity here. You can move around freely, whether you're at the gym, running outdoors, or working from home, without worrying about losing connection. Plus, they pair instantly with your devices and have an impressive range, so you don't have to stay glued to your phone. Surprisingly great sound quality. One common concern with open-ear headphones is sound quality. You might wonder, do they sound as good as regular earbuds? The answer is yes. These headphones use directional audio technology, which means the sound is directed straight to your ears instead of leaking out. That allows for clear vocals, strong mids, and punchy bass, even without sealing your ears. The result: balanced, immersive sound that lets you enjoy your music while still hearing your surroundings. Whether you're listening to music, podcasts, or audiobooks, you'll get crisp and clear audio, LED power display, and long battery life. One of the standout features is the LED power display, which gives you a clear view of the battery level on both the headphones and the charging case. No more guessing when your battery is about to run out. The battery life itself is impressive, lasting for multiple hours of continuous playback on a single charge. The charging case also provides extra juice, so you can go for days without needing to recharge. Whether you're using them for workouts, commuting, or daily activities, you won't have to constantly worry about running out of battery. Who should get these headphones? These open-ear Bluetooth 5.4 headphones are perfect for runners, cyclists, and outdoor athletes who need situational awareness. Gym-goers looking for secure, sweat-resistant headphones. People who dislike in-ear earbuds but still want high-quality sound. Commuters and travelers who want lightweight, comfortable wireless earbuds. Anyone looking for an affordable, high-performance alternative to bone conduction headphones. Are they worth it? Final verdict. If you're looking for a pair of comfortable, High-quality wireless headphones that let you hear your surroundings while enjoying great sound, these open-ear Bluetooth 5.4 earbuds are a fantastic option. They offer secure fit, sweat resistance, stable connectivity, and long battery life, making them ideal for active individuals and everyday use. Plus, their sleek Obsidian black design makes them look as good as they perform. Click the link below for the best price. Let us know in the comments what's your go-to workout song. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.